Hey everyone, I'm making a YouTube video, which I haven't done in a long time, which is fine, you know. Like, I haven't actually recorded one with myself in it for a long time, but it's fine. Today, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make a friendship bracelet. So, let's get on with it. All you're gonna need for a friendship bracelet is scissors, a pair of scissors. You're gonna need string. I'm using these because I'm gonna make one for a friend because I have too many of my own. So string, scissors, and something to like attach it to. You can really use anything. I think water bottles, like with the handles, water bottles with handles are very nice. That's what we're gonna do. Let me get a pair of scissors real quick. Okay, I'm back. So I have an old, it's really crusty, I've had this a long time, a water bottle with a handle. Yeah, sorry, I'm out of breath. Scissors, string. Okay, so for this video, I'm gonna be making one of the simpler bracelets. I'm just gonna do maybe a chevron. Yeah, I could do that because, you know, why not? It's nice, it's easy, and I'm not that talented, so ignore my hair. This is not... Okay, you know what? My hair's fine. I don't care. Basically, I'm just gonna be showing you. I'm not gonna be showing you specifically how to make a chevron. I'm just gonna be showing you like the start and the end of a friendship bracelet. Okay, get your strings. You're gonna want them to be. It does depend on the kind of bracelet you're making, but if you're going for like a simple bracelet, whatever, you're gonna take your string. I really hope this does not knot, because that happens a lot. You're gonna take your string and you're gonna measure it. I usually measure it arm span length. So I just hold it all the way out, like my arm span. And then I cut the end. Another way you can measure it is you can wrap the string around your wrist 10 times. So I got my first string cut. Okay, now my second one. How I measure the second string is I'm just gonna like line it up with my first string. Okay, what the flip? You know what? Who cares? You just line it up, okay? Make sure they're the same length. It's pretty basic. And I'm not organized. Well, I am organized, but these strings are not. So I've got other strings. It's fine. You can use as many colors as you want. Some types of strings can only use a specific number, or some types of bracelets can only use a specific number of colors. But for chevron, you can do as many as you want. Okay, now that we've cut those, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our wad of strings and we're gonna fold it in half and make sure the ends down here, make sure the ends line up. So now, since we folded the entire thing in half, you got this loop, okay? And you're just gonna make a knot with the loop, like this. Okay, I usually make it that length. I don't know if this is gonna focus, but it's fine. And you got your knot. Now I'm just gonna pull each individual string to make sure the knot is tight, because that's how we like it. Okay, now that I've done that, you're gonna take whatever you're attaching it to. I'm using my water bottle little thingy, and here's how I do this. I'm gonna put it in like this. It's a weird angle. You got this in through here, and you're just gonna put the rest of the string, and there is a hair that's nasty. Okay, you're gonna put the strings through the loop. I wish it weren't blurry, but you know what the heck. I'm sure you guys know what that is. Yeah, now you can start on your bracelet. I don't recommend pulling the loop past the knot, because then it's gonna be really hard to get the bracelet out of the knot when you take it off the thing. So don't do that. Now, anyway, it looks like this, right? I'm gonna start working on my bracelet. I'm making a chevron, so I'm just gonna start doing the knots and make the bracelet. Okay? Yeah. All right, guys, I am back. Okay, if I'm being completely honest, it's been like 2 days since I recorded that last bit. I've had a lot going on, like, just like it's summer, so like, you know, there's been stuff going on. So I finished the bracelet. Yeah, and again, I'm not showing you how to specifically make a chevron. I'm just showing you like how to start and end your bracelets. Yeah, okay, so how to know when you're done with the bracelet is you'd put your wrist at the top like this and you'd wrap it around, and it should meet about halfway in your wrist like that. And I would say that's a good stopping point right there. So now that I'm done with it, what we're going to do is we're just going to tie a knot at the end. There are fancier ways to do this, of course. I'm just like an amateur, whatever. I'm no expert on bracelet making. So we're just tying a knot like this. Yeah, so we're bringing it to the top and we're tying it really tight. That's good. And now I'm just gonna like pull. I like to do this with my bracelets for some reason, but I just like to pull each individual string to make sure that it's tight. When you get to the end of your bracelet, you can either make it permanent or adjustable. So like what I mean by permanent is you can braid the end, and then when you tie it on your wrist, it would like stay there until you cut it off or whatever. Here's an example of one of my adjustable bracelets that I made. It's got a slip knot on the end here, so you can just pull it to tighten it, and then pull it to loosen it. So it's adjustable like that. Let's start with the permanent bracelet. I'm not going to show it to you because I'm gonna make this one adjustable since it's for my friend. But you would split these mostly evenly, and you would start braiding the end like so. Once it gets long enough, the braid would go like out where my finger is here, and then that'd be long enough. And then you can tie a knot after the braid. So yeah, that's for permanent. Pretty simple, I think, for how I explained it. And then for adjustable, it's a little more complicated, like not really, but kind of. So we're just going to take it off of the handle. What we're going to do is we're going to take the loop. You're going to fold it over the bracelet like this. And then you're going to take the string here and you're going to put it through this hole on the left. You're going to put it through that hole first. So let me do that. I'm going to put the string through this loop on the left. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me try that again. Gotta wad the string, put it through the loop here, and pull it through like that. And then we're gonna go behind, we're gonna pull the string behind like that, and then pull it forward through this loop right here, like this. Okay, and then you've got this monstrosity. It's gonna look somewhat like this, and you pull this loop, pull it over the top of the knot like this, and it's gonna look like that. And then you can just pull it tight, like that, and it would look like that. That's your slip knot. And now, we're gonna tie a knot after that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna loosen it, you're gonna put it on your hand, and make sure it's loose enough that it's comfortable to slip on and off. You don't want to make it like too loose that you end up with a long string at the end. But this is, let me see, make it a little looser. Okay, this right here is pretty comfortable to slip on and off. So I'm going to keep the slip knot at that position. I'm going to tie a knot with these strings at the end. Okay, so you got your knot. And then you're gonna just tie the knot right after the slip knot, where it is. Tie the knot tight, make sure it's tight, and then you are good. And then all you have to do is cut the strings, cut it to like here maybe, and you don't need all this. So you can just cut that and then you are good. So yeah, that is what that looks like, an adjustable bracelet. Okay, well, thank you for watching the video. Yeah, I might make more bracelet tutorials in the future. I'm not sure. You guys can let me know what you think, if you're interested. So, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Bye, guys!